Hey folks, it's your old pal Tony Smullen back for another episode of Tips and Tricks, Christmas edition this time. Yes folks, here's what we're going to be working on. We have well, let me try to get in the camera here. We have a flagpole, or excuse me, a Purple Martin house that my dad built for me. And right now you can see that it's laying down the way it's designed to do. And I bought a Star of Bethlehem. I'm going to honor Jesus, baby Jesus, because baby Jesus is what Christmas is all about, right? It's his birthday. And so I'm going to install a star, an LED star at the end of the birdhouse pole. And just went in my basement and got one of my old hockey sticks here, and I found a different one that's a little bit wider up here, so I'm going to use that, and I'm going to attach the Star of Bethlehem on the hockey stick. I'm going to insert the hockey stick in here. I'm going to run an extension cord from the house to here, and I'm going to light this place up, baby. It's going to be grand. It's going to be awesome. And we'll be back for part 2 soon. And we're back. Okay, so this is the star. And here is the hockey stick. And I cut the end of the hockey stick off right here. And you're going to need I think we're going to need a drill for this project. And I have some tie straps here, all different lengths. We'll probably go with the 8-inch. And I'm going to put a screw down in the bottom here, and so that the stick, when it's inside the pole, will not move further down the pole. It's going to be a stopper. And that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to get drilling and securing, and I'll be back. Thank you. Okay, I was about to drill and the wife kicked me out of the house. She said I can't drill on the kitchen table. So I came out here and I just drilled 4 holes. So I got one here at the top. I found another place to secure it. So one right there, one right here, and one right here. I'm going to put it on here, and I'm going to line up the holes. Right there and about right there. And now I'm going to get my tie straps, and I'm going to start securing this thing down. I might use wire. I think I'm going to use tie straps for this job. And we'll be back. What a beautiful day. It's December 9th and it's 50 degrees out. I love it. Be right back, everybody. Okay, I'm back. Update for you. We got all the tie straps on. I think I went a little overboard, but it gets windy out here, so I want to make sure that we do it correctly. We got 2 on the bottom there, as you can see. And if I flip this over, I put 2 kind of more in the middle, 2 there, and 2 on the top. So that's how it kind of looks on this side. With the wind that we get out here, you can never be too certain. I want to make sure she lasts next year too. In fact, what I want to do is get another one and put it back to back. Okay, next steps. Find extension cords and hook it up there and run it all the way over there. And we're back. Okay, I took the contraption over to the pole. I inserted it. I feel like I want to make it as tall as possible, but still be safe. So I decided to drill the hole. See if I can. Right there, and there's the end of the stick right there. I don't know, so maybe a foot. I put a hole there, and I'm gonna drill this screw in there to make it a stopper, and then that extension cord is the next step. Okay, we're back. I got one extension cord ran already out here. I'm going to need at least 1 or 2 more. show you where we're at. We got the screw stopper in right there. Here I'm going to leave some slack. I'm going to put a zip tie right here with some slack, a little bit anyway, not that much, a little slack. And then I'm going to probably zip tie the extension cord along the pole a couple times. I'll raise the pole, I'll find the other extension cords, and we'll try to light this thing up for you tonight. And that's all I got right now. I'll be back in, I don't know, 10-15 minutes. And we're back. And the pole is up. The star is there. I zip tied, you know, maybe 5 zip ties of that extension cord. Left some slack on purpose. No one can see it up. You can't see the wires unless you're up close. What else can I tell you? I just noticed too, I might have to make another stopper because when it does get windy, that thing's gonna move. But on the flip side, if it does move, then other people can enjoy it. Because right now I have it pointed to my house. That's where I normally sit, right there in that chair. I'm gonna be able to look outside and see my star lit up at nighttime. I'm gonna love that. We're almost done here, folks. Just gotta get maybe 1 or 2 more extension cords, and then we'll do a light for you. Be back in a jiff. Okay, we're back. We're ready to do a test here of the light, and as you can see, it's over there. What a beautiful sunset we're having here in Green Bay, Wisconsin on December 9th. So in honor of Clark Griswold, we're going to see if it lights up, okay? Joy to the world. Oh, and it lights up. Now, of course, it's not totally dark out yet, so we'll have to see what it looks like at nighttime, but wow. And that sunset hanging up there. Let's get a little closer shot of it. Watch out for dog poop, cameraman, woman. Oh yeah, that's gonna be nice and bright and see that from far away probably. Oh yes. I'm liking this project. I want to thank, are you still going? Are you still filming? I'd like to thank Grandpa George, gave me some good ideas. I'd like to thank Lowe's, where I bought the sign and they shipped very quickly. I'd like to thank my family, my dogs, and the only thing I have to say here, camera woman. I'd like to thank my camera woman. Hey everybody, I'm back. Today is December 23rd, and the Christmas star has been up for what, 2.5 weeks, and so far so good. I now refer to it as the Baby Jesus Star of Peace, and just want to give a couple updates here. After installation, I went to Lowe's website, tried to buy another star so I could install it on the back side of the star that's up there right now. I'd like to have it shining in 2 different ways, but they're all out of them, unfortunately. I also talked earlier in the video about the stopper. I was going to add a stopper just in case to stop wind from blowing the star in different directions. Not needed. She's secure. She's doing really good up there even on windy days. So the night I installed it, I shined it my way. I was watching it. I got great enjoyment out of it. But you know, in the spirit of Christmas, it's about giving, right? So I started every night. I've been shining it in different directions and pointing it to my neighbors' houses, and the feedback's been great. I've been getting text messages like, "Oh, when are we gonna get the star again? And do you make reservations? And we want it Christmas night, and we want it Christmas Eve," and that's all nice, and that shows that they're getting enjoyment out of it, which is great. And that's the whole reason why we did this. Yeah, just the other day too, I got a voicemail from the operations manager at the Green Bay Botanical Gardens. The Green Bay Botanical Gardens, they have a Christmas display every year, like 300,000 plus lights, and but they heard about the Christmas star and saw it, and now they want me to come meet with them in the first week of January to talk about some new designs for next year. So, like that. But you know, right now she's shining. It's just starting to get dark out. I have it pointed over in this corner back over here to one of my neighbors. I won't say their name on the video, but it's their turn tonight. And what else was I gonna say? That's about it. So please remember the way of Jesus: compassion. Treat people like you want to be treated. Christmas, giving, love, family, hope, everything, all that good stuff. So I want to wish everyone a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and I want to just remind you, if you like this video, hit the like button. You can hit the subscribe button, and you can see some past videos of Tony's tips and tricks, or I'm sure we're going to have some in 2021. And oh yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to put those in the comments section. I do look at those from time to time. I'll respond to any questions that you have. So thanks again, everybody. Peace.
Christmas is the time of year for being with the ones we love, sharing so much joy and cheer. What a wonderful feeling, watching the ones we love having so much fun. I was sitting by the fireside, taking a walk through the snow, listening to a children's choir singing songs about Jesus, blessed way that he came to us. Why can't it remain? All through the year, each day the same. That's what I want to hear. It's truly amazing, that spirit of Christmas. Let me hear you.
Why can't it remain?
Why can't it remain?
All through the years,
All through the year.
each day the same.
Each day the same, and that's what I wanna hear. Listen to me. It's truly amazing, that spirit of Christmas